Stadium truck A main goes off in less than 5. And off we go. 5-minute main. Again, guys, thank you for working with us today. This whole scoring system's been so screwed up. We're going to get it fixed before next weekend, so hopefully we won't ever have to do this again. Russell out front, Steve second, Jeremy, Cameron, then Candino, Jake, Tom, Brian, Warren, Bruce, and that's all we got running. Oh, there's Clint. 11 cars in the stadium truck race. Russell looking smooth through the 5-pack. Steve looking good as well. Foss short, but oh no, Marshall in the middle. Davis with a terrible crash. And he's going to lose about 5 spots. And Clinton, looks like he caught Josh's leg.
Should have thrown me on the downside.
Rough lap for Cameron Davis. We got to play some catch up now. It's old man Russell Stratton. Russell Junk Stratton out front. Steve Campbell giving chase. Jeremy Foss running in that third spot. He's been fast all day. There's that orange and white T5M. And it looks like it's going to be Mario in the 4th spot. After that, it is Cameron miraculously gets back to 5th after that. It was a 50-second lap. He somehow manages to stay 5th. Oh, Marshall in the middle. Looks like that was Mario. Oh, man. Norm said, oh, man, but you know that he's smiling whenever Mario crashes, so. Mario now back to 5th, right behind Cameron for 4th. Meanwhile, our leader, Russell Stratton, smooth. Uh-oh. Maybe not anymore. I think Steve just got by him. Yes, Steve Campbell over the 5-pack. He's our new leader. He is that green, yellow, and white. Stratton is the blue, green, and white. Still, just under 3 minutes to go. It is Russell, Steve, Jeremy Foss, Cameron, Mario, Warren, Jake, Brian, Tom, Bruce, and Clinton. Next race is two-wheel buggy A main. Two-wheel buggy A main. About 2:30 to go. All right, 15 months ago. Right now, Steve has a 5-second lead over Russell. And our leader, picking him up, he is, where'd he go? The leader is actually coming by the start-finish line, so the lead may have gotten a little bigger. See where Russell ends up. Russell coming across the start-finish line right now. The gap is 10 seconds. Steve Campbell out front. Foss giving chase on Russell Junk Stratton. Our TQ man Russ. Not having the greatest main event, but he's still running in the 5th spot. Candino's 4th. Canfield 5th. Davis running in the 6th spot. Looks like he may have gotten the spot back. Yes, he did. Cameron to 5th. Warren back to 6th. That leaves Mario 4th. Now Jake, Tom, Brian, Bruce, and Clinton is our running order with 1:20 to go. Russell trying to make up time. That was a 44-second lap by Steve. We'll see what Russ can put down here. If he can put down a couple of heaters, he can put some pressure on Steve. He just took 12 seconds out of it, so it's down to 8 seconds. See if Russell can hammer down. Oh no! Lawn darts in the quad, and that's going to let Foss by for 2nd. So Russell going for broke ends up losing the 2nd spot. 45 seconds to go still. So Campbell is well out front. Our leader coming through the X's and up by the moguls, makes it smooth, no big chances being taken. He's got a victory lap. Bring it on home, Mr. Campbell. Right now, Stratton and Foss going after it. Foss has it across the line. It's about 2/10 of a second, 3/10 of a second at the line. That's going to be a battle to watch coming towards the start-finish line. Mingle has 2 and 3 right there. Right out of the way, Jake, please. Wow, that worked out somehow. Fox hangs on to second. Russ right there. That's the battle to the line. Looks like Cameron and Warren in a battle. That's for fifth.
Oh, come on.
Not having the greatest battle. Not having the greatest mean, I mean. It looks like Russ got flipped upside down. Raleigh, that is second place. Third place behind you. In a battle to the line. Fox trying to hang on to it. Russ giving it his last ditch effort. Steve's done, Cam's done, Warren's done. Fox will hang on to second. Russ third. Candino is going to finish fourth. And Davis, Canfield, Raleigh, Jake, Brian, Tom, and Quinn. Nice running, guys.
Oh, now the guys can't really go. Oh, try to pick me up. Thank you. Thank you. Is that on your table or on here? No, that's not yet. What's that? Oh, it's Cameron. Not at all. Fire is high rod. What a sucker. Plugged in? I thought it was right next to your tire.
Get our drivers from that last race. Down here again, Marshall.
Tommy, you grab me in the squad when you head that way for 120.
Alright guys, let's get you checked in. Come on over. I'm going to have to drag some of you guys in. Little by little, let's go across the line one at a time, please.
Yeah, look at that wind, right?
Alright, who that? You Campbell?
Yep. Can you bend that wind back down, please? No. Todd, came over here. That was Stillwell.
Rob Stillwell, gotcha.
Jake, did you bend that wind back down?
Cameron Davis.
Thank you. Just a little bit. We got tweaked a little bit. Yeah, right in the middle, right there. Yeah, that's better. Thank you. We just got tweaked a little bit.
Alright, we need Jared Russell, K. Morgan, are you with us? Alright, Aaron, you're good?
Brian, this is Jared.
You're good? about a 9. That drops so well.
No, that's Pat. Which one? That's Pat, Matt. No,
Come back
just
around.
went by. Yeah, launching all. It starts over here, dude.
That drops.
Yeah. Pat, come back in. There you are.
Alright, so that's Pat.
Yeah.
Alright, we got Pat. Who are we missing up there?
Got me over, bud.
There we got Norm, Mike Knight. Mike Knight still here? Oh, that was P, I'm sorry. Casey Morgan, you're good. Dan had to leave. I think we got everybody, don't we? And it looks like we do have our marshals. Alright, the order is Jared 1, Russell 2, Aaron 3, Steve Campbell 4, Cameron 5, Casey Kutchum 6, Dan would have been 7, so that puts Casey Morgan up to 7. I think that's everybody